So Jaguar XF customer keys are not being accepted by the car, so they're getting this fault. So what we need to do is reinitialize the BCM and re-add the keys. So what we need to do is we need to go down to this one here, central junction box, body control module, and then we need to run the diagnostics for that. So we're going to agree to this, and then so you've got to make sure your laptop has got some power to it. So I've run an extension lead from the van. So you'll see all sorts of warning lights coming up. Just going to download your files downloaded. Mission on. Smart key programmed. So all the modules are being reinstalled. So we're near the end now. We just got to do a key verification for the immobiliser and we should be able to start the car. Little tip, if you ever need to remove the handbrake, pull that red thing and there you are, you can take the handbrake off on a Jaguar XF. Car's just now relearning the VIN, so all the modules can talk to each other. So now we've got to place the key just around the shifter, and this will check to see how many keys are in the car. So we're just going to validate one key because I've only got one on me. There you are, sorted. Done. Car should start now. So now we all sorted.